Welcome to Motologues. At EICMA 2024, Honda made a bold move by introducing a new V3 engine equipped with an electric compressor. This is a completely different approach. While many manufacturers focus on V-twin or V4 configurations, Honda chose a unique and innovative path. But what makes this engine so special? The 75-degree V3 engine is not only water-cooled but also designed to be extremely slim and compact, especially for a large displacement motorcycle. However, what truly grabs attention is the world's first electric compressor for motorcycles. This compressor can control the intake air compression independently of engine RPM, meaning riders can enjoy high torque even at low RPM, something rarely seen in large displacement bikes. Even more interesting is that this engine doesn't require an intercooler. This allows for more flexible component layout and more efficient mass centralization. With better mass centralization, the bike becomes more stable and easier to handle, making it perfect for riders who want big power without sacrificing handling. For those who remember, the V3 configuration is not new to Honda. They once used a V3 engine in the iconic two-stroke NS400R of the 1980s. Now, 40 years later, Honda is reviving this configuration with far more advanced and modern technology. The potential of this engine is highly promising, especially when we think about how Honda will implement it in future large displacement models. While Honda is aggressively pushing electric motorcycle technology, this V3 engine proves they aren't done with internal combustion engines just yet. This innovation isn't just an alternative, it's a bold step forward, offering more diverse technology options for customers. For those curious about what this bike might look like, we can already get a glimpse from a few sources. Young Machine has released a CG concept showing a sporty, aggressive design, hinting at how this bike could look on the road with a racing vibe. Meanwhile, Webike has also revealed a CG concept of a naked version, showcasing an open, fairing-free design that appeals to fans of naked bikes who love minimalist style with big power. As development continues toward mass production, Honda seems poised to deliver an even more exciting riding experience for motorcyclists worldwide. So, what do you think? Will this V3 engine with an electric compressor be the innovation that takes Honda to the next level? Would you prefer to see it in a sport bike or a naked model? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates from the motorcycle world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.